Polypropylene. Made in the USA. Utility webbing. This strapping is water resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use, this heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. Fade-resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to moisture, acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Strapworks polypropylene webbing is tough with a tensile break strength of 900 pounds. It measures 0.06 in thickness and is available in a variety of vibrant colors. Easy to work with, this flexible webbing is easy to manipulate and sew. Made with a tight weave, it's tough and aesthetically pleasing. Use this polypro strapping for crafts, gear repair, and more. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Top reviews from the United States. Fairly stiff. Good stuff. Bought this for a scuba backplate harness and weight belt. Works great, gives my rig a distinctive look and better visibility compared to standard black straps. Material is rather stiff, difficult to lace through the many buckles and sliders, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Also difficult to sew, it broke my regular needles, but that's not a complaint either. It's a quality product.